Hello RC fans, Racing 393. Quick video. Notice the logo behind me. Well, I was just searching on Model Sport as you do, and I thought to myself, huh, I didn't realise all this stuff was out or potentially coming out. So I thought I'll do a quick video on it. Right, I don't know whether you can hopefully you can see the picture because I can't sort of see it when I'm recording, but I've just literally this morning looked on Model Sport. Oh my god, there's a lot of stuff on there I didn't even know. We've got this coming soon here. I'm going to try and keep everything in view, so bear with me. So I recently added, I think I wanted to go on. This was the one which was most interesting to me. Well, first off, we've got, now there's obviously a lot on the internet already. I won't be getting one of these. So in their wisdom, Team Associated have brought out the truck. Nothing. I'm not that interested in that. However, I'm pretty sure in years to come that this will be quite sought after. But I'm not buying one of these. So there was the first drop that I thought, what? I mean, if we had tarmac 8th scale or 10th scale oval tracks in the UK and slightly banked, this would probably take off massively. So they're not really something, I don't know, using it out on the street. I just don't think it would have the same appeal personally. But anyway, first off, there was that one. Then the next one really surprised me. This one by HPI. They've got two versions. Got the Fluxed version, and they've also got a Subaru WRC. I think it's Richard Burns' replica. But this particular, the Repsol Escort, was one of the TA. I think it's TA02 that Tamiya did back in the day, and I had one of these and sold it, and I regret selling it. I love this colour scheme. But this is a new Nitro release of this car. Now, HPI, I thought they were dead and buried, personally. But again, it's you can't really see. It's probably behind my big fat head, but 449 UK pounds. We look at some of the sort of the pictures here, maybe sort of one of the chassis. Hopefully you can see that. It's a very basic setup, but it's a new Nitro from HPI. I was only saying the other day on a video of how modern Nitros don't have any character. I still stick by that. This is ready to run. I suppose like most Nitros, entry-level Nitros, I guess, nowadays. But this one really interests me, only because, one, I love the colour scheme, and two, it is a new release Nitro. The WRC Subaru that's already out, I've got a feeling that might have been the Flux version. I don't know whether the Nitro version's already out. I haven't really looked, but this is a wow factor. It looks absolutely amazing. I wish I could afford that, but at the moment I'm going to have to pass. But I thought I'd let you guys know because it's super impressive. There were some few other things on here that I thought were interesting. So this one, it's like a sandrail 8S. I mean, this is a pro scale. It's huge. It's also huge in price, 1,319 UK pounds. I'm not a massive fan of what that looks like, but I'm pretty sure that's going to be an impressive rail controlled sandrail buggy, if you like. It's absolutely huge. It's almost a meter long, 812 millimeters. What? And half a meter wide. I mean, you'd want to, I don't know. That's like the Traxxas T-Max size, isn't it? But in a perhaps more realistic scaled sandrail car, I guess. The thing is with sand rail cars, See, there's the side. It looks rubbish. What they could do with, in my opinion, is have it like the cap at the back like a bar jar bug and get rid of that wing. That wing is just not needed. I mean, it is all personal preference. It doesn't look too bad from there. I mean, those wishbones, if you can see that, hopefully you can see the wishbones, and I'm not in the way, but massive. Imagine doing that in Nitro. And it is, I'm not going to lie to you, it looks so meat. It looks better like that as a rolling chassis. Got to get rid of that. I don't like that shell. Um, and what's that? Has we got something else there? Let's have a quick look. It's all new. What is that? A steering shock? Oh no, what is that? Brakes? I see brakes. I'm not sure what that is though. Haven't really looked into it. Oh, it's got brakes, yeah. It on each four wheels, it would seem. That's amazing. And what looks like a very complex motor system. And it's actually got cooling fans, which look like little rocker covers or big rocker covers. I mean, I'm torn. I don't like the look at that, but I bet it's absolutely a blast to drive. And the technology within that, Traxxas, regardless of what you think of them, and I haven't got any Traxxas. Have I? No, I haven't. I've got no Traxxas at all. Oh, yes, I have. I've got my Nitro. What am I talking about? The Fortec. Nitro Fortec is Traxxas, isn't it? That's the only Traxxas that I've got. If I had a spare 1400 UK pounds, I didn't worry. I'd probably buy one of these to have a go. I'm 50-50. Don't like the looks, but I'm impressed by the spec. Yeah, I mean that is awesome. And we got this. This is old news, I suppose. It's not out yet. I won't be, but even if I had the money, I wouldn't buy one of these. I think it's obscenely overpriced. I do get the specification of it all. I get it, and you know the people that are going to buy this, it does look absolutely freaking awesome. But it just, in my opinion, I mean, that's not worth that sort of money. You know, I don't know. If you race it, it's a real high spec buggy, much, much, much higher spec than most of the buggies I've got, or nearly all the buggies I've got. But it says on here it's obviously built on the vintage RC scene. So Yokomo, a 1997 world champion back then. So it's bringing sort of the past back again. I get it. I mean, again, if I had £1,000, I'd probably more likely buy that other Sandrail than this. So anyway, I thought, let me know your thoughts of all this new models, and you may be aware of most of them. I only found out about some of them today of this video, so let me know what you think about them. I think it's, Nitro's only just started to, 1 minute someone's saying the other day it dies off because nobody wants Nitro anymore, yet all these Nitros and things are coming out, and these massive Traxxas Sandrail buggies and the trucks, the four-wheel drive trucks, vintage cars, Team Associated, Tamiya. I mean, it is a little bit of a boom at the moment, but my wallet cannot take any more, so I'm going to pass on most of these unless I come into some money. But let me know your thoughts. What do you think about what's going on in the RC industry at the moment, and the re-releases and releases and new releases? I'd like to hear your thoughts. Anyway, quick video, quick midweek video. I hope you like it, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.